Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a technique to run internally in your mind to create resourceful state. All of you listening to this podcast, I'm sure you would love to have resourceful state, isn't it? A resourceful state which can be utilized to achieve the high performance in you, which creates the high performance so that you can be in high performance and keep achieving your goal, your purpose, your task day by day. Think about it. If you have these resourceful states each and every day, how easy it would be for you to achieve your bigger goals. Because you will start achieving your smaller steps, smaller tasks each day. And then achieving the goal happens automatically. The most important part before you start this technique is how badly do you want to have this resourceful state? Increase the intensity of you really want to have it, isn't it? What would happen if you will have it? Ask to yourself. What will you achieve if you will have the resourceful state? How can you achieve your goals faster? How can you achieve your steps, your tasks faster, more efficiently, more productively? And also enjoy these state. Let me tell you, I used to do this exercise every day to keep myself in high performance, keep myself in resource state so that I can achieve my small task and of course the big ones becomes automatically achievable as each small task matters, isn't it? So let's start this beautiful, gorgeous day with the resourceful state and let's go and do that. So choose a context in which you would like to have a resourceful state, personally or professionally. Also choose what specifically do you like to have: courage, passion, power, confidence, love, joy, happiness. What is that which you're looking for? Have clarity in what resource you would like to have and in which specific context you would like to utilize it. One of my secrets which I would like to tell all of you is I used to do these exercises every day and create anchors in my chair. For example, if I would like to have a resourceful state in my professional work which I do, I used to do this exercise with the chair and anchor the chair, and you can do that as well today. So choose your context, have your professional space or personal space ready wherever you are listening to this podcast. And now, as listening to this, you might have maybe already thought about what specific resource you would like to have. Your unconscious would have already traveled and find what is that resource I would like to have today. Have it clear in your mind. And inhale and exhale as you stand in front of this chair or in front of this space where you utilize at most your professional space or your personal space. Stand closer to that chair, that couch, that place where you sit or stand the most in your personal professional context, where you would utilize it. And now I invite you to inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale, and take a few deep breaths with me here. Inhale and exhale. And think about the time in your life when you've had this resource in abundance. You've had it before, or you have seen someone else having that a lot in abundance. You've had this courage, this power, this confidence, this happiness already. And as you think about that moment, the moment of your life, your own experience, the way you have had it. See that over there on that chair, on that couch, the way you look like, the way you stand like, the way you maybe sit like, the way your shoulders, your head, your body is like, the way the movements are, the way the power posture which you have taken over there, the way your breathing is there, the way you hear your sound. Get that more clear. Yeah, your unconscious can hear the sound so clearly. And how rhythmic do you sound there? How beautiful rhythmically you are hearing your own sound. See what you see, hear what you hear what you hear, and as you hear and see what you are there, I invite you to expand that and step in this chair. Step into this chair. Yeah, you can sit on this chair. I like to sit. You can stand if you want. And let that build. Let that state build. Take a few deep breaths and let that state build internally and feel as if it's happening just now. It's just your physiology. Get that moment, hear that sound internally multiple times. Observe these moments and all these changes happening right now and stay there in the state. Nice. And stay there. And stay there. Nice. And stay there in this chair. And as you stay there in this powerful state, and you can start your work immediately right away, and you can keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing that until you manage and you maintain this state. And the moment you feel like that this state is falling off, I invite you to quickly step out of this chair, as you know that you want to anchor this chair only with resourceful state. So you can step out of this chair. You can walk a few minutes, you can stretch, you can jump, you can shake it off, and again see yourself over there near to that chair, on that chair, as you see it from this distance now. See, hear, look yourself and hear yourself, and the way you're looking like, the way you're sounding like, and quickly step into this chair and let that build and let that build and let that resource build, and then you keep starting your work and keep doing it and keep doing your work and keep doing it and keep doing it, and you can keep it maintained all over the day now in this chair. And as soon as you feel like it's falling off, come out of the chair. Yeah, come out of the chair, and again you can walk and you can just relax. You can now stretch more, you can shake it off, and then again look into the chair, and you now know what to do. You now know how to get into it. So step inside the chair right now and get into that physiology, get into that internal dialogue, and get into the state, and keep doing your work and keep doing your work and keep doing your work and keep maintaining the state. There it is. And the moment it falls in, you would step out of the chair, shake it off, out of the chair and shake it off. And now you know how to anchor your own chair for you and to keep yourself in high performance state. You can repeat this exercise every day before you start your work in a personal space or a professional space the way you have. And you also now remember that you can keep having the resourceful state on this chair. Small important tip which we will be discussing in the different classes is that you do not collapse this chair with negative states. We'll talk about it more in detail in the webinars. I invite you to maintain the state in this chair, maintain the resourceful states in the chair, and as soon as you think it's falling off, get up from the chair and let this chair be only and only resourced chair for you. So have a resourceful day with this resourceful state and maintain this state for yourself and achieve your goals. Have a wonderful day, everyone.